Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Mind-blowing places to visit in the northern part of the Philippines after the COVID-19 quarantine. Number 1, Corregidor Island, Manila Bay. Corregidor has historically been fortified with coastal artillery to defend the entrance of Manila Bay and Manila from attacks by enemy warships. Number 2, Bigan, Ilocos Sur. It's known for its preserved Spanish colonial and Asian architecture. Calle Crisologo dominates the Mestizo district, with its cobblestone streets, malecón, horse-drawn carriages and rustic mansions. Number 3, Batad Rice Terraces, Banaway. Landmark rice paddies noted for their dramatic, cascading layout over an amphitheater-like hillside. Number 4, Sagada, Mountain Province. Echo Valley's hanging coffins are displayed high on cliffs, while centuries-old coffins are stacked in burial sites like Lumayang Cave. The nearby Sumaging Cave has unusual limestone formations. To the north, Bamado Cave Falls has a natural swimming pool. Rice terraces are carved into the areas surrounding mountainsides. Number 5, Batanes Islands, Cagayan Valley. Batanes is an archipelagic province in the Philippines situated in the Cagayan Valley region. It is the northernmost province in the country, and also the smallest, both in population and land area. Be sure you check the weather before visiting because they have the biggest storms here. Number 6, Alaminos, Pangasinan. Alaminos is the home to the 100 Islands National Park, the very first national park in the Philippines. It is also the heart of Western Pangasinan, its center of commerce, finance, education, industry and services. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.